Session 1, An Introduction to Couponing. Hello and welcome to the world of couponing. In this presentation, I will show you the basics of how to coupon step by step from the very beginning. In this first session, we'll take a look at what you can realistically expect from your couponing efforts. First, you should expect a lower bill at the grocery store. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture's July 2014 report, the average family of four with two school-aged children should expect to spend over $1,000 a month, conservatively speaking, for their food. While you are beginning to learn the basics of couponing, you should expect to see very moderate savings, perhaps as little as 10%. But you will see these savings grow larger and larger the more you coupon and the more well-versed you become with your couponing skills. Ideally, you will be able to get all of your non-food items for free and your food items for at least 25% less. We'll discuss how throughout this course. Is mealtime in your house always a crisis? Well, with couponing, second, you can begin to better plan your meals. Because couponing will get you to a place of having greater quantities of your basic stockpile of grocery items on hand, you'll find that planning and preparing your meals becomes an easier, less stressful task. You will find yourself running out to the grocery store less and less for those one or two items that you need for a particular dish. Now you'll have them all on hand and you'll have them in quantity. Third, couponing will enable you to be better prepared for emergencies. For instance, when natural disasters hit, you won't have to run to the store with everyone else for water, bathroom tissue, canned goods, etc. You'll already have those items on hand, and you'll have them in good supply. In fact, couponers have been known to share these items from their stockpiles with neighbors who were not as well prepared. Another emergency that sometimes hits a family is losing a job. But for a well-prepared couponer, the items you have been able to stock up on can see you through lean times for weeks or even months until you're able to get back on your feet. One couponer did not go to the grocery store for an entire year when her husband's job was downsized. And fourth, with couponing, you can potentially have a much greater peace of mind when it comes to not only better planned meals and a lower grocery bill and being ready for emergencies, but just a little less stress in your life and a little more money in your pocket. Couponing is not a silver bullet, not by any means, but it can certainly provide you with a means of having a more peaceful daily routine.